Welcome back to Near Lucid. Today we'll be taking a look at the Lucky65, a budget 65 that looks like a very solid contender for a non-flashy first build. The board comes in a pretty basic green box. On the right is a smaller accessory box with a simple USB to USB-C, wireless dongle, and a generic switch and keycap holder. To the left is the board itself, which is in a styrofoam compartment. On top of it is an instruction manual and then the board. Mine came pre-built with coconut latte switches, but retail units will come bare bones. Let's take a look at the specs. The Lucky65 is an aluminum PCB gasket mounted 65%. We have one hot swap 1.2mm flex cut PCB that supports split spacebar and ISO enter. This keyboard doesn't support VIA, but comes with its own proprietary software to control lighting and key mapping. For plates, we only have an included polycarbonate plate with flex cuts, which only supports ANSI, but there is also an optional ISO plate. For colors, we have two electrophoresis colors, milky white and wave blue, and 5 anodized colors, silver, black, navy, violet, and carmine. The board comes with custom pre-lubed Shinmeng stabilizers. Lastly, all configurations with the included stabilizers will cost $80. Let's take a listen to the stock config with GMK Shoko. Now let's take it apart and try a custom config. First, I'll unscrew the cases, open it up, disconnect the daughter board, and remove the case foam. Now we can also access the PCB. From here, I'm going to take out the coconut lattes, take off the plate, and take out the plate foam and PE foam. This board actually comes with both a PE and PET foam sheet. Now we can start rebuilding the board. I'm going to install the plate foam, reinstall the plate, and in here go holy Bobas, lubed and filmed. I'll reconnect the daughter board, which is really difficult because there's a hot swap socket in the way, and install the inner assembly into the bottom case. Now I can put the top case back on, screw the cases together, and reinstall GMK Shoko. Let's take a listen.